Welcome to the third entry of my new series of Robo remakes. Today I'm going to be recreating Checkmate Factory from Custom Robo for GameCube. I started off by grabbing some references from the level itself and creating a new project in Unity using URP and importing ProBuilder as usual. By observing the models and base of the stage, I can get a pretty good idea of how large I should start with the block out. Each metal block appears to be 2x2 in dimension, so I'll be using that as a starting point. Assuming the map base is a perfect square, I can make it 8x8 blocks for now. After doing the base of the stage, I started creating placeholders for the models. Once I completed the placeholder assets, I modified the scene to be bigger since it felt too small and compact. I downloaded a texture for the outer floors to see how it would turn out. It wasn't ideal, but it would work for now as a visual aid. What I found to be the most interesting models in the scene were the walls and the destructible cubes, so I went ahead and started on those first. After creating the models, I decided to turn a grungy metal texture into a black and white texture, so I may easily change the colors of it with Unity's material system. This way I'll be able to use it on different models. Since I made a prefab of the wall, all I have to do is hit apply and all the other walls will change with it. After being done with the base textures and assets of nearly everything, I started working on a texture for the helipad. I decided to make one from scratch so I can better myself with making textures, and it looks like it turned out better than what I expected. Now I have to create textures for the conveyor belts and make some decals. With the map being nearly completed, there's a few more things left to do. The grid floor, the skybox, the skyscrapers outside the map, and the orange fence barricading the map. The final thing to do is make a shader for the conveyor belt so it appears that it's rotating. And after becoming dizzy after staring at the shader and working on it longer than I'd like to admit, I think I'm finally finished. Thank you all for staying this long. I will have all the links used in the description below.